What are you doing?
She wants it.
Don't spit.
I'm not spitting spit.
I'm trying to get her to
trying to get it on video to make me sneeze.
It's funny.
Don't ask.
Make her sneeze. Someone make her
I
sneeze.
can't
She
make
has.
her sneeze.
No, she has to. Sneeze. Sneeze. You look possessed. Sneeze. Please. Do something interesting. You're really boring right now.
Yeah.
Those comforters were so warm. The beds were cozy, but man, those comforters, I mean,
Yeah.
Time I'm
cold, they were
totally
good to
gonna
have.
sniff it.
Sounds like you're on drugs.
Sticking out, and I got I need it. I thought the bed was just to die for him. Oh, it was so
Open!
In the winter, those comforters.
Open!
I'm crying!
It's funny, usually I get too hot, but I didn't last night.
Faster.
We had the room pretty cool.
It didn't
I
work.
sniffed
Get
it.
at least to get
It
the
didn't work
humidity out.
though.
We're good. I need to get some change for break that for me, okay? Sure. Thank you.
That's attractive.
Alex, watch your elbow. You're about to go in the ketchup. Well, between everybody's leftovers.
I almost put my elbow in the ketchup. Will you sneeze?
I can't.
Yes, you can. You've been sneezing all day.
Well, you should have got a video then.
Think about
The
it.
Benadryl. She took the Benadryl, darling.
Yeah.
What? Aww.
We're taking a video.
Yes. She's still not sneezing. This is very aggravating.
Your eyes look big.
Eyes look big.
Alex, would you turn that off? Because you know what? Love you. Yesterday,
Go on, keep
I'm
lecturing.
trying to encourage her. I've got my face
yesterday
shielded.
you used up all of the video time taking pictures.
Oh
Class,
no.
And then we did not have the camera when we needed it.
You know what?
And
We can charge
tomorrow,
it tonight.
This girl may get that lucky shot that will make millions. Do you know what I mean?
This could be the next big comedy. I mean, come on. Yeah.
The aliens have landed.
See, look, the aliens have landed.
Careful.
Alex, you're gonna spill something here.
Alexandra,
Will be her
it's
fault.
over. It's over.
Say cut.
Cut.
You have to look at the camera and say cut.
Cut.